Firas wants to be number one. Deep breaths just before his turn. Firas closed his eyes and took 3 big breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Mama had taught him. He imagined Mr. Fluffy cheering from his backpack. Go, Firas. He stepped forward. It was time to shine. He did it. Firas matched all the numbers, spelled the words sun, dog, and hat, and counted backward from 10. His teacher, Ms. Lena, beamed. You've done amazing work, Firas. He felt light as a balloon. I did it. The golden star at the end of the day, Ms. Lena called Firas's name. For being focused, kind, and trying his best every day, today's golden star goes to Firas. Everyone clapped. Firas's cheeks turned pink, and he held his golden sticker high in the air. The celebration that night, Mama made his favorite dinner, macaroni and cheese with smiley face carrots. Baba made a medal out of paper and yarn. It said, #1Firas. They all danced in the living room. Just the beginning that night, Firas cuddled with his teddy bear. I did it, but tomorrow I'll learn even more. Because Firas knew being number one means always try your best.